A great pool table can turn an empty room into everyone's favorite hangout. Welcome to my channel, where we're exploring the best home pool tables for fun, style, and smooth gameplay. Check the links in the description and choose the table that brings game night home. The number 5 product on our list is American Legend Pool Table. The pulse of a home changes the moment a heavy slate of competition enters the room, turning a quiet corner into a theater of calculated risk and laughter. Most families struggle with the digital divide where everyone is staring at a screen in separate rooms, losing that tactile connection that only physical play can provide. This American Legend pool table bridges that gap by offering a massive 90-inch Kirkwood frame that demands attention with its rustic, weathered gray finish and bold K-shaped legs. It solves the nightmare of uneven basement floors by including dedicated shims to ensure every roll remains true and fair. Unlike a standard MD sports table that often feels flimsy or overly modern, this unit provides a heavy, industrial aesthetic that anchors a space with genuine character. The black polyester cloth offers a sleek contrast that makes the balls pop, though you should note that polyester can be slightly faster than traditional wool blends. This is an ideal centerpiece for the host who wants a club-quality experience without the stuffy atmosphere of a traditional billiards hall. You get the immense satisfaction of a complete setup right out of the box, featuring cues, balls, and even the brush to keep your arena pristine. Bringing this into your living space is a definitive move toward reclaiming your evenings from the glow of smartphones. Transforming your home into the ultimate social destination starts with a single, well-placed break that echoes through the halls of your new favorite sanctuary. At number 4 is GoSports Pool Table. Most people sacrifice their dream of a personal game room because they believe a heavy slate table must be a permanent, room-swallowing commitment. The tragedy of modern living is the lack of space for authentic recreation, leaving many to settle for digital simulations that lack the satisfying click of a real break. This GoSports pool table shatters those limitations by offering a mid-size 7-foot arena that delivers professional-grade physics without the need for a permanent renovation. It solves the headache of complex assembly through an ingenious folding leg design that allows you to transition from a clear floor to a competitive match in under 2 minutes. Unlike a bulky Hathaway table that requires professional movers, this heavy-duty steel frame provides incredible stability while remaining portable enough for apartments or offices. The premium felt surface offers a remarkably consistent roll, though players should be mindful of the 13 by 16-foot clearance needed for full-length cue strokes. This is the ultimate pick for the social butterfly or the nomadic gamer who refuses to let square footage dictate their lifestyle. You get the deep satisfaction of a complete kit, including regulation balls and a dedicated felt brush to keep your surface immaculate. Making this addition to your home is a definitive step toward hosting legendary nights that people actually remember. Reclaiming your free time from the grip of boredom feels like finally sinking the 8-ball to win a long and difficult tournament. The third one on our list is Hathaway Pool Table. True craftsmanship is the only thing standing between a forgotten, dusty basement and a vibrant arena of tactical precision and family legacy. Most people dream of a billiards sanctuary, but dread the logistical nightmare of heavy slate and professional installers who charge more than the furniture itself. This Hathaway pool table effectively kills that frustration by arriving fully assembled in a sleek 6-foot frame that fits perfectly into multi-use dens or small apartments. It solves the barrier to entry with ingenious folding steel legs and integrated levelers, ensuring your shots remain straight even on imperfect surfaces. Unlike a massive American Legend table that requires a permanent footprint, this model offers a portable, high-density surface and an L-shaped cushion system for a bounce that feels remarkably professional. The black melamine rails and smooth felt surface provide a sophisticated aesthetic that instantly elevates a room's atmosphere. This is a brilliant choice for the urban professional or the busy parent who values quick entertainment without the permanent clutter of a non-folding unit. You get the deep relief of a stress-free setup and the joy of a complete accessory kit that works right out of the box. While it lacks the extreme weight of a tournament slate, the sheer convenience and rip-resistant storage bag make it a champion of modern efficiency. Investing in this setup transforms a standard weekend into a legendary series of competitive highlights. Your home becomes the definitive destination for connection and skill, where every bank shot writes a brand new chapter of victory. On number 2 is GoSports wood finish pool table. The most profound memories in a home are often forged around a heavy oak frame, where the sharp crack of a break replaces the silence of a lonely evening. Many people find themselves trapped in a cycle of buying flimsy plastic games that break within a month, or massive slate monsters that require a professional construction crew to install. This GoSports wood finish pool table erases that struggle by delivering a robust 200-pound oak veneer masterpiece that arrives with a pre-assembled tabletop. It solves the agony of complex setups by only requiring the attachment of its ultra-stable legs, which feature hidden levelers to keep the vibrant blue felt perfectly flat. While a standard folding model from Hathaway offers portability, it cannot compete with the sheer physical presence and tournament-level stability found in this 7-foot command center. The metal corners and thick felt are specifically engineered to withstand aggressive play and prevent the blemishes that ruin cheaper surfaces. This is a brilliant choice for the dedicated homeowner who wants a permanent aesthetic statement without the $5,000 price tag of a boutique shop. You gain the deep relief of a rock-solid surface and the pride of a modern rustic design that blends seamlessly into a sophisticated office or game room. Though it requires a decent 13 by 16 foot space to breathe, the psychological shift from being a spectator to a participant is worth every inch of floor space. Stepping up to the table feels like finally claiming your place at the head of the house. Now moving to the last one is Fat Cat Pool Table. The soul of a basement remains dormant until it is awakened by the thunderous echo of a perfect opening break against a high-density surface. Many families settle for low-tier replicas that warp within months or struggle with the impossible weight of traditional slate that turns a simple room rearrangement into a multi-man logistics crisis. This Fat Cat pool table solves the longevity puzzle by utilizing a specialized AccuSlate playing field that provides the rigid, flat precision of stone without the back-breaking mass. It eliminates the frustration of dead bounces through the use of massive 6-inch wide solid wood rails paired with professional K66 rubber bumpers for high-velocity responsiveness. While a mid-sized GoSports table might focus on portability, this unit offers a deeper sense of permanence and a 7-foot arena that feels like a legitimate billiards hall. The heavy-duty legs and classic fringe pockets provide a timeless aesthetic that anchors a room with a sense of heritage and tradition. This is the definitive purchase for the aspiring enthusiast who wants to master complex bank shots without the boutique price of a custom-built museum piece. You get the incredible relief of a surface designed to stay level for years, and the pride of owning an item that survives the roughest play sessions. Although the assembly requires a bit of patience and a second pair of hands, the end result is a rock-solid centerpiece that brings people together for hours of genuine connection. Your home transforms into the neighborhood's favorite social hub the moment the first ball drops into the leather. So guys, this was the video about the best home pool tables. We've carefully covered some of the best options available right now to help you make a smarter and more confident decision. Whether you're looking for performance, durability, value for money, or the latest features, this guide was designed to give you a clear and practical overview so you can pick what truly fits your needs. If any of the products we mentioned caught your interest, you'll find all the links conveniently placed in the description below. Make sure to check them out for more details, updated pricing, and availability. Taking a moment to explore those links can really help you choose the right option without any confusion. If you found this video helpful or enjoyed the content, don't forget to hit the like button. Your support means a lot and helps us keep creating more useful and high-quality videos for you. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest uploads. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.